All right, I'm going to attempt our wash on this. So I would not be surprised if we lose that paper. Hey Conk fam, so I've got multiple things over here drying right now, but we want to take a look at this Superboy cover. So I'm pulling it out of the press. It's been in there overnight. And I already know I've had one issue with, oh, here comes Jack. I've had one issue when I was moving it from here over to the press. I always like to kind of check and see if there's parts sticking from the wheat paste of doing the tear seals and reinforcement. And I did have a little stickage problem. I just have not been able to get my wheat paste exactly the way I want it. It seems like my best results is always to make just a small fresh batch. It seems to be creamier and a better consistency. What I did with this last batch of wheat paste, and I probably shouldn't have done it, is I just took the week-old wheat paste. So this is methyl cellulose, but I took the week-old wheat paste and just added to it and tried to mix it from that, and it just really came out kind of lumpy and more globby. And so that's what happened, is I had a couple of little pieces of globs of wheat paste whenever I laid the Hollytex on top and the buffer, and that's what stuck. So I did lose a little bit of paper on the inside front cover. I don't think it's that noticeable, but I'm not sure. So we're going to see this together for the first time, and hopefully we're okay. Jack, I'm gonna scoot you over a little bit, okay? Or you just get over there. All right, so here we go. Here is the inside front cover. And not bad. You again really can't tell where the seals are. This is where I have a little bit of stickage, so you can see some slight discoloration. What I try to do to save some of the paper, and it's actually this little piece here. Where's my pointer? This little piece here is where I had some paper loss, but you really can't tell, and that's good. You know, except for this line not connecting. There's a little dot right there. But otherwise, yeah, I think a pretty good result for such an old, and the book was so tattered. Looks like we did great with these areas up here. Now let's look at the front. Much cleaner. Much cleaner. I do not see any ink loss, which is what I was worried about. Here's that little piece that I put back in, and I didn't get it exactly aligned, and it looked like there's a little bit of tarnish from that top staple. I looked at the top staple and I didn't see any rust. So maybe at one point it had just, I don't know, maybe gotten wet or something, and it just left a tarnish residue, but nothing we can do about that, and the staple should cover it back up. Like I said, we're just a little bit off on this, but you know, I was doing it blind from the opposite side so we could, you know, do our seal. These seals look great. They feel good. You know, we still got a little bit of spottage around here, but you know, maybe we might put this in the blue light chamber and try, but I can't be happier with the result. Like I said, the colors are still so great, and definitely it's cleaner. So yeah, you know, it feels good. It's got that sound that you want, you know, holding it up, kind of shaking it. You know, you can see that the reinforcements are really good on it. You know, again, you can see that little bit of loss that I had, but I mean, I think the benefit we got from this process outweighs that negativity. And yeah, you can see how well that is bound together. Thank y'all for, again, coming along on this little journey. And we'll start tackling the inner wraps and see what we're going to do with this beautiful 72-year-old Superboy number 20. So, remember, peace, love, and comics. Thank you all. Bye. You want to say bye, Jack? You want to say bye?